Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Christmas crack, also known as saltine cracker candy. For our ingredients, we have salted saltine crackers, unsalted butter, brown sugar, chocolate chips, chopped pecans, and flaky sea salt for sprinkling. First, we are going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. We are going to line a standard size cookie sheet, either with aluminum foil or parchment paper. You can lightly spray with cooking spray or grease lightly with butter. You want to lay down your crackers evenly. You want to lay them salted side up. It's all right if they have spaces in between the crackers. Here we are spreading our crackers out evenly. You want to prepare your toffee by combining your butter and your brown sugar in a small saucepan over medium heat. You want to stir occasionally. You want to allow the mixture to come to a boil and allow it to boil for 3 minutes. We're going to stir a little to get the butter and the brown sugar mixed, and then we're going to leave it alone and let it boil for 3 minutes. And that's what it looks like when it's been boiling for 3 minutes. Immediately remove from the heat and pour it over your crackers. It is okay if some of them start to float. Just try to keep them in an even layer. You want to evenly spread the toffee over your crackers. You want to place them in a 400 degrees oven for about 5 minutes. The toffee will begin to bubble. You want to remove from the oven, turn the oven off, and evenly sprinkle your chocolate chips over your toffee. You want to return to the oven for about 2 minutes and then remove your crackers from the oven. You want to spread the chocolate evenly over your crackers. One thing I want to recommend is using a quality chocolate chip because I use Nestle and they do not seem to melt properly in the oven. Then you want to spread evenly your pecans. You can spread them how you would like. For mine, I did half salt and half pecans. You want to allow it to chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or until the chocolate hardens. You want to cut into pieces using a large knife and serve. Mine, I just broke up into pieces. Here I am sprinkling it with a little bit of flaky salt. I forgot to turn on the camera and I realized it wasn't on as I started, but I'm showing you the front and the back. And here I'm just hitting it with my hand and just breaking it up. This Christmas crack was delicious. It tastes like a toffee candy if you ever had toffee, but it's delicious and it is addictive. I believe it's the toffee, the chocolate, and the salt is what set it off. But this is a great addition to your holiday treats. And we have made Christmas crack. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.